Hey, Muntie, Ghana embassy, I hope Germany Belen, Muntie, Yenu Medina, would you Muntie and some other Rebecca?
Yeah, we are here at the Ghana embassy in Berlin. We can see all the people around here, all the people standing here. People have traveled from far and near. Bremen, Düsseldorf, Gelsenkirchen, and other places. Ghana embassy is not operating today. Yet they've given all these people appointments to come for their passports and others. The excuse they are giving is there was holiday in Ghana on Saturday. So Monday, it is holiday here. We don't know what this country is becoming of. We are in Germany. There is no holiday in Germany.
Therefore, and you may share me. Now that's a answer. A friend may be a better to when you may share me. Now you need one come. May I say, Mama catch the knee.